thought you were on a diet. I am. I'm checking the candy for poison. You stupid.
Trick or treat.
Oh, diabetes.
Shit. What are you supposed to be? Myself? You did a good job because you are ugly, mother.
Stupid. He's ugly.
Racism. That's Michael.
Zombie prank.
Wait, what's that noise? What the heck? Sounds like it's coming from the woods.
Whoa, what's that? Well, my friends told me to keep watch while they looked for what was there. So, now, let's see what's out there. Is that them? No, that's the supernatural. It's proof of the supernatural. What the heck? Oh my god, those are monsters. Those are monsters. Oh my god.
Ah! Boy, what happened? What was that noise? Jake, what was it?
I don't know.
Boy,
I went to get ice cream and
heard a gunshot.
oh my god, Ben, what the heck? What happened?
Monsters. Monsters. Oh my god. They shot at me.
What monsters?
They came from over there.
Wait, why
They shot at me.
Wait a minute.
I almost died.
Hold on.
Yeah, by the way,
What is
we
that?
tricked you. We didn't even go in the woods. We went to go get ice cream.
What is that, Jake?
Oh my god.
Zoom up, there's something there, wait. What is that, Jake? What is that? It was like bloated on a tree or something.
There is?
We need to really investigate this time. But first, we gotta load up.
What else? What? Ooh, I like it. Guys, this is crazy, alright? So, we're gonna have to, like, kill all these monsters with the Nerf guns. Josh is gonna be down here sniping them. Jacob is gonna be, using his crossbow, like...
And my rapid strike.
And the rapid strike, like The Walking Dead. And I'm gonna be using all pistols, because pistols are best. They're really practical. And Dr. Pepper.
Come on, shoot.
That was a horrible shot.
Josh, you have to start shooting, come on. Alright, guys, get shooting. Come on, let's go. We gotta beat them.
I hit one.
I just hit one too. I need to get the rapid strike. When you run out of bullets, come on, cover me, I'm going in. Okay. I get the rapid strike. No, jamming.
Oh, Josh, right behind you. Gotcha. Got it.
Come on, we can do this.
Got one. It's finally over. We're finally done. I don't know what Josh is doing, but we finally made it. So,
Wait.
yeah. What, Josh?
What is that?
What's what?
Whoa, what the heck is that? Josh, shoot at it. Oh my god, no, it's coming for us. I'm gonna go check it out, guys. Stay there. There's a lot to do, guys. Wish me luck.
Josh, good luck.
Don't die. We got some Nerf guns for you.
Alright.
We're gonna keep watch. Ready? Yes. Let's go.
Just
They're coming. They're coming. Come on.
Josh, watch out.
I got him. Go in the house. Find out. I got you. Run a dash. One more dash. Ah. Where am I doing? Good idea. They're gonna get me. They're gonna get you. Ah. Josh, no.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna be in combat over here. Where you go?
There he is. I got my rapid strike. Stop it. Give me my friend back. Oh no, I'm all out.
Josh, you back?
What did you do to Ben? No! No!
This sword contains a
No! 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 Ah! Thank you guys for watching.
Please
Subscribe
subscribe.
to all of us. Like the
You'll
video.
leave it in the description. I hope you want more of the blood on the knife. Who was under this mask, if you want to know, it was me, Squid Jr., DJ Jakey Jake, and
Record X.
yeah, Record. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah!
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul and seal your